history of Java. The first, so what are the basics we are going to use in Java? So are by using the C language and C++ programming language. For example, syntaxes and semantics which we are using like conditional statements, loops and other kind of things are implemented by using C and C++ programming language. C programming language was developed by Dennis Ritchie at Bell's laboratory in early 1970s. Became widely used for system programming due to its efficiency and low-level capabilities. C served as the foundation for many subsequent programming languages. C++ programming language. It is developed by Barn Stroustrup in early 1980s as an extension of C's introduced object-oriented programming features, allowing for the creation of classes and objects. C++ provided a more structured and versatile approach to Java programming language. Basically, the object-oriented concept came from C++. So, whereas in Java, we are going to avoid the concept of pointers and also the concept of templates. Origins. In early 1990s, James Gosling and his team at Sun Microsystems started the development of new programming language. The project initially named Oak and was aimed at addressing the challenges of programming consumer electronic devices. The team sought a solution that was high level, general purpose and platform independent. So they need a programming language so which could able to support the internet and so that it can able to share the data among the web servers and also it can able to communicate from different systems and it can able to implement a different kind of protocols. Platform independence. The main aim of platform independence is it can able to compile and deploy the program in any particular platform like irrespective of operating system, irrespective of machine. So it can able to execute the program so by using a class. One of the key motivations for Java development was the need for a language that could run on different hardware platforms without modification. To achieve this, Java introduced the concept of bytecode and Java Virtual Machine. So Java Virtual Machine relies on the Java compiler, so it takes care of bytecode execution. Code written in Java compiler to bytecode which can run on any device with a compatible JVM. Official release and write once, run anywhere. In 1995, Sun Microsystems officially released Java. The slogan is write once, execute anywhere, which is emphasized Java platform independence, making it suitable for wide range of devices and applications. Java's impact. Java quickly gained popularity due to its portability, security features, and object-oriented nature. Portability means so you can able to execute the class file anywhere so that it is portable in nature. It became widely used in web development, enterprise applications, and mobile programming. Java Standard Edition and Enterprise Edition. Over the time, Java evolved with the introduction of different editions to cater various application domains. Java SE is aimed at desktop and standalone applications, while Java Enterprise Edition is designed for enterprise level applications. Acquisition by Oracle. In 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems, becoming the steward of the Java platform. Java continued to be actively developed and maintained under Oracle's supervision. Java community and open source. Java has vibrant community and many aspects of its development are open source. Java community process, which allows developers to contribute to the evolution of the Java platform. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.